Hey guys, here we are at this stamped concrete patio we have to prep. This thing's a really nice color. Nothing alarming. It's about 2 years old and due for a reseal. I think all we're seeing is soil, really. Still has a little bit of sealer on it, so should go pretty good. Letting the water run through the hose right now, push the air out of the lines, and we'll get set up and we'll get this thing cleaned up. Stay tuned. Alright, so this one cleaned up really good. You can see it's starting to dry here. The spots where it's starting to dry first are usually the areas that require the heavier part, a heavier coat of sealing. That's why it's important that the person that cleans it is always the one that seals it. Actually getting a little bit of a feeling out process throughout it. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to eat up some sealer. Stay tuned, we'll seal this thing tomorrow. I don't think I'll make it out here until the afternoon. We've got some carpet to clean first thing in the morning, but make it out here and see what we can do. Hey guys, so here we are here at this stamped concrete patio out here in Batavia. Everything dried up and man, you could really see where it's worn off, and there isn't much sealer pretty much anywhere on here, which is kind of weird considering it's only a 2-year-old patio. Yeah, they'll be glad that they hired us to put a high quality, wow, look at that, high quality sealer on this. Start the sealing. We'll start up here, work our way back. Do 2 sections at a time. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we've got it all sealed up and it looks beautiful here. You're gonna always want to stay off of it, foot traffic for about 8 hours, and then you're not going to want to put no patio furniture on or anything heavy for a good 24 hours. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I went over it real heavy. I'm going to time lapse the video so you might not be able to tell, but I went over it real heavy right here, and then the other curved piece over here, because it's really porous and didn't have much, if not any, sealer on it at all. So it should last a little bit longer in those areas, and that area up there where you're always walking out the door. Pretty heavy up there as well, just for those reasons, because I saw how after 2 years how it was wearing pretty bad. So we went over it heavy in the heavy traffic areas. If you need any stamped concrete sealing, traditional concrete sealing, pressure washing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, you can book us online at windycitysteam.com.